Hi friends, myself Narmada. I'm a senior software engineer having 9 years of experience as a Microsoft technology. Okay. Today agenda is how you can export data from SQL Server to text file. Let's see. I'm just creating new package, SSIS package. To export data, we have to use data flow task. Double click the data flow task. Define the source. Source is what? OLEDB source because I just want to take data from SQL Server. Destination is a flat file destination. Okay, just double click the OLEDB, then create the connection string, select OLEDB driver for SQL Server, click OK. So select server name, just enter the server name and select the database name here. Test the connection got succeeded, click OK. Now select the table, which table you want to export the data. I just want to export the data person. Columns whatever I needed, I have selected. Okay. Now drag and drop this, create new. I just want to create with fixed with row delimiter. So browse the column name and select. I just want to create version dump. Okay, open. So the column name it's basically automatically came based on the source system ID, first name, last name, email ID, gender, IP address. So just go mapping, then click OK, save it. Now just run it. See 100 rows got loaded. Just go and check the data how many load, how it looks like. If you see here a fixed width. So for example, first column name whatever we given the length. If you see here ID is the length, output column length 50, input also 50. So the 50 uh, given to the column name. Okay, for the name also. If you see the name, first name, how much length, 50 length we given, so 50 length. Like last name as well, 50 length, so 50 length has been given. Okay, then gender is 50 length, so 50 length it's provided. So the email ID, all thing, correct? And also IP address, it's a how many length? It's a 50 length, so 50 length it's provided. So then if you see row delimiter column, it will be there in at the end after the 50 character end, right? So the row delimiter will be present here. To see that, you just open this file as in Notepad++. I don't have Notepad++, but if you guys open, so after the 50 length, you could see the row delimiter CLR. You could see. So yeah, this is the way you have to load the data from the SQL Server table to text file. Okay. If you guys have any clarification, please comment me. Also, please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much.